Hello, this is your person, Artemis. Well, today I'm making this quick video. This is all unscripted, by the way, and I'm just gonna improvise as I make this video, but I feel like it's important for me to show off what I've been up to lately, besides small things like my comics, and also me experimenting with turning the color of water into blue, as you can see. This is my drink I'm drinking. Don't worry, it's food coloring. It's not really anything dangerous. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. This is what it looks like. But I'm getting off topic. I just wanted to say that in my secret laboratory, that's why I'm wearing goggles, I have created a newest version of my double phone case, or as I call it, the digital book. So I'll show it to you right now on camera because I feel like this is a very, very important thing to show off, because I feel like you should look at it. Keep in mind this is very rough. Things didn't fit correctly, so I'm trying to get a new version of the case that I 3D designed fixing those problems. But anyways, I'll show you the flawed but finished design. So yeah, here it is. So this is my design on the two phone case, as I call it, the digital book. I have a new phone. That's what this is. It's the Moto G Styles 2024 model that I put in there. Yeah, this is overall what it looks like. And yeah, this is every angle of it when it's closed. You can even see inscription that I put on the 3D print model. By the way, I commissioned a small business on Etsy to print this. I'll put a link to this store in the description below. I'll try to remember the name. I'm very sorry that I forgot. It's been a while. I apologize. I'll look it up soon. But yeah, this is what I did. It's the back of it, top of it. It's a little rough because I had trouble fitting things in, but it's fine. It's good. But yeah, this is what it looks like when I open it. A friend of mine told me when I was on a trip with this device that when he opened it, well, he wanted to try out like opening it, so I let him do that, and he said that when he did this, it gave him chills. Pretty cool, yeah. But yeah, this is my two phone case. Let me just turn it on for a moment. I'll put my fingerprint. I'll look at that later. That's not important. Okay. So here it is. So it looks like when I open it, and my thumb was completely like perfectly in between those, which is perfect for holding it. So you can hold it like this, and you can see this is what it looks like, and you can have it in horizontal mode, as you can see, and it's like a Nintendo DS, so I can watch a movie on one and talk to friends on the other screen. Well, I have to do on this one because this one has a SIM card in it, this one doesn't. But yeah, I'm able to do that, and I also can charge these without taking them out. And as you already can tell, the backs have camera cutouts, like camera windows, so it can still see and take pictures and record video. I'm recording on a separate phone here that's like an old phone, so that's why the quality looks like subpar. Not bad, but not good, I guess. It kind of looks okay on my end, but we'll see. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show, and oh yeah, now before I forget, this is a cool feature it has. It has a cool feature where I can just if I don't want to hold on to it, if I have to do chores, I don't just rest it here like this. I can actually do this. I call it sitting mode, as I said in my original video when I did it when I was very sick. So sitting mode works like this. If I want it to stay still, I just take these out, and then I can put it in here, and then it will rest and not go anywhere. So I can watch my movies like whenever I want to without having to hold it. So you can even do it a little more like in this angle as well. Yeah, this this thing is pretty cool, I know. And yeah, this was years of decisions, plans, also trial and error too. Did a lot of trial and error with this whole entire design. But overall, I am very happy with how this turned out. Years of trial and error was worth the wait and work and all that stuff. So yeah, that's my 2-phone case, the digital book. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give it the like, comment, subscribe, blah blah blah. You know that all stuff on YouTube. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Thank you, and have a good time zone.